On December 5 of 2024 at 10:44 a.m. local time, an earthquake struck off of California, and this was no typical small magnitude earthquake. Instead, a major magnitude 7.0 earthquake had been generated 33.6 miles west of Cape Mendocino at shallow depths, leading to an alert being sent out to everyone in California. Only 9 seconds later, the first seismic wave reached California's landmass, causing the ground to rapidly and strongly shake back and forth for a period of 30 seconds. As this shaking occurred, water splashed and then flowed out of pools, abundant items fell off of and shattered in stores, a door fell off, and more than 10,000 people immediately lost power. Yet, after the shaking finally ended, something even more concerning became apparent. An ocean buoy relatively close to the quake's epicenter suddenly rose and fell more than expected across several minutes, indicating that a tsunami had been generated. As a result, a 511-mile-long stretch of coastline ranging from Dunes City, Oregon in the north to Ano Nuevo Bay in California to the south was immediately placed under the highest category of a tsunami alert, that being a tsunami warning. In total, more than 5 million people across 2 states, including in the cities of San Francisco, Eureka, and Crescent City, were told to evacuate to higher ground before the expected waves struck. More than an hour followed in some locations, but thankfully no widely damaging tsunami reached the shoreline, so the tsunami warning was cancelled. A tsunami truly had indeed been generated, but from what I can tell it only reached a maximum wave height of 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches. What had just occurred was California's largest earthquake in 5 years since the Ridgecrest earthquake struck southeastern California. Thankfully, no deaths or injuries were reported from this event, although the potential that millions of dollars in damage still occurred is considered a high possibility based on the USGS model. So, why did this earthquake occur? Why wasn't there a damaging tsunami? Could an even larger earthquake soon follow, and what might be expected next? Since I am a geologist, I will now answer each of these questions. Yesterday's magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck on what is known as a right lateral strike-slip fault. In other words, 2 faults moved almost completely horizontally to each other with no or only a very weak vertical component to it. Because of the lack of a major vertical component, no major tsunami was generated.